Hi, want to know how to add or remove Google account on your Samsung Galaxy A25? As a first step, we would need to open Settings and then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Accounts and Backup. Click on it. Here, go to the tab Manage Accounts, and on this list you'll be able to see all of your accounts on this phone. As a next step, if you want to add Google account, click on this button Add Account, and here we would need to choose Google. Now, as a next step, we would need to log in to our account with the help of login and password. So I'll be right back. After you have entered your password, click on this blue button next to continue. And after this, we would need to just skip all of these because this is Google account settings. And this is it. Now you can see your account in the list of your accounts on this phone. Here is it. And now the last question, how to remove Google account. So here on the same tab, Manage Accounts, we would need to choose the account that we would like to remove. And here click on this button, Remove Account, and Remove Account. And this is it. This account has disappeared only from your phone, but not at all, just from here. And that's it. Thank you for watching.